What's up, guys? We're on What to Do Rob today, and we have the Lasfit turn signals that I just started putting in, and I want to do a side-by-side comparison. I want to show you. If you need to know how to take the headlights out to do the turn signals, check out my other video below, or maybe it's above. But anyway, this is just a real quick. I just wanted to show you side-by-side comparison of these lights. Let's jump into it, and let's see if Lasfit is a good fit. Let's take a look at these beforehand. And I got a little bit of sunlight coming in there, so I don't know how well that's going to affect our after. Okay. These are our before. And I know it's going to be really hard to tell on video, guys. It's really hard to give it, to give you an honest perspective of it through a camera. Plus, you got sunlight coming through there. But I'll definitely give you a heads up on if they're legit or not. I'll be able to tell. Now, let's put the bulbs inside of the lens and see a side by side. Wow, you can clearly see the difference here. All right, now keep in mind, guys, I only have the top bulb, which is Lasfit over there. The bottom one on this one I didn't change yet. Just that top one. Look how bright it is. Over here, these are both still stock. Okay? Now, granted, this has a little bit of sunlight coming in, but still, no matter what angle you go on, you can see it's still not really bright. And just looking from over here at the other light, look how it's illuminating that whole corner. Look at the brightness. This, not so much. It's not so bright. But come over to this one. I mean, look at that. Wow. You can even see the difference in the camera. All right, let's do this test here. We're going to stand next to the Lasfit bulb. Okay, see how bright that is, how it's illuminating me? Now we're going to come over here and we're going to stand next to the stock bulb. Not so much, right? You can kind of see it on my shirt a little bit, and I'm right here, right next to it. Okay? See? Now we're going to do the same thing. Go back over here to the Lasfit bulb. I'm standing right next to it, and look. That just shows you the difference right there in the brightness. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting in the bottom bulbs, and then I'll come back with all the bulbs changed. All right, so that's the bulb we took out. You can actually see, look at the size comparison. That's the first obvious thing I see with these bulbs. But what I find really cool is, I mean, just look at these things, man. Just the design that went into these. Stay tuned. We're going to change them all, and we'll be right back. So when we first started, this was the truck with all stock bulbs in it. And now, here's the truck with all the Lasfits in it. Bam! Clear as daylight. Please, subscribe, like. I'll see you guys next time.